Alright, I'm going to be making a quick and easy Nacho Supreme. I got this recipe from Cooking with Rick. If you want to check out his channel, he has some really good recipes on there. You're going to need a pound of ground beef. Now he made it. He has a bigger family, so you know he may put more ingredients, but he put tomato soup, and I forgot to buy tomato soup, but I do have this 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. I'm going to use that. That'll be just fine. Some salsa. You can buy whatever. I buy the mild. And taco seasoning, I get the less sodium one because I can't deal with eating a lot of salt. You can use any cheese you want, cheddar cheese, whatever. I've got this left, this Fiesta blend, and I'll probably open up the bag of cheddar because that's not going to be enough. And then your sour cream. You can use guacamole, you can use whatever kind of toppings that you want. So, let's get started. Okay, let's get the ground beef started. Just ground up. And you're going to need some rice too. Now, he said to use instant rice, but I don't have instant rice. And I forgot to buy it. I have regular rice that I already cooked. And set aside. And I'll just put that in the end. But if you use instant rice, you're going to put it in there and cook it in there 5 minutes. You can look at his recipes. I'll put it in the description link. Okay, so I'm going to let that get all ground up and then I'll be back. Okay, I drained the grease. Now I'm going to put 1½ cups of water in there. 1 pack of taco seasoning. Buy any taco seasoning that you want. Mix that in. Put the can of tomato sauce in there. Now I'm doing it a little different than him. I'm going to put my nachos in the oven too to melt the cheese. Okay. And he didn't do this step either, but I'm going to put a cup of this salsa in there too. Okay, I'm going to go in. It's boiling, so I've turned the eye off. And I'm going to put this rice in here. I cooked half a cup of rice. I'm just going to, you just heat it thoroughly when you pre-cook it ahead. I rarely buy instant rice. I'd rather cook my rice. Like this. Not the instant stuff. Okay, so let's stir that in. Actually, I'm going to let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Okay, now, what you're going to do, I've seen other people do this, is skim, put aluminum foil on it, and any taco chip, tortilla chips that you want. I just happened to get the Late July sea salt and lime. I heard these are the best nacho chips. I don't eat a lot of nachos, but I do love Mexican food. So let's just spread those out. Have your oven heating at 350 degrees. And I've already simmered this for, I'd say, 3 or 4 minutes. Since I've already got the pre-cooked rice in there. Just wanted to get it eat through there. And now what you're going to do is you're going to spread all of this all over your nachos. Now I'm not going to use all of this today because I can put more nachos on the sheet pan like tomorrow and make me another meal. Just try to get as much on there on your nachos. Now you can make this for even a party for like appetizers if you want. Now I'm going to put some of this Fiesta blend cheese on there. You can put guacamole and lettuce and chopped tomatoes, sour cream to the side, and more cheese. And set this on a bowl. And if somebody wants to use that with their nachos, I like a lot of cheese. So. Now you don't have to do this, but I like black olives. So I'm just going to add a few on top. Some people don't like olives, so you don't have to put it on there. But these would make a good, like if you're having a party or something, they'd make a good appetizer or snack food, finger food, you want to call it. Try to get all of these out of there. Okay, so now I'm going to put it in my preheated oven at 350 degrees. I'm going to put it in there till the cheese is melted. I'm gonna put it in there for maybe 5 minutes and I'm going to check it. Okay, that is came out of the oven. I had it in there for 4 or 5 minutes. And now let's put some on a plate. See how it tastes. Now I would think that you probably could add some corn and make some Fiesta corn if you wanted, and add in this. It would be good. Let's see. Oh, look how cheesy that is. Oh, yum, yum, yum. That is going to be good. You can add, which I'm going to do, I'm going to add some sour cream. You can add guacamole. I don't like guacamole, but I do like sour cream. So you can add, I'm going to add a couple of dollops of sour cream. And then I'm going to add some more salsa to it. Tell you how that tastes. Let me get This is messy, so I'm going to taste the meat. Yum. Very good. Okay, this is Nacho Supreme.